We have ridden this elevator in a previous video. We are at the top of a Skybridge. Here's the Skybridge. On the other side's the other elevator. This goes over track 2 or 3, depending on which sign you read. That is not built yet. In fact, it looks like it's in segments. I'm trying to find a spot where we can see it. Yeah, there. Then there's a piece there. So I got to build this track. So we go across this bridge to the other elevator. This is supposedly still going to be the original parking lot. It's just ripped apart to build this. And speaking of the original parking lot, there it is. And they have this cornered off for reasons unknown. Doesn't seem to make sense. But here's the elevator, and it's waiting for us. And this has 3 stops. Cab view. Ooh, MBTA's watching us. There are the buttons. There's the phone next to door close, which is kind of not the best place. And again, we have one in the rear. We've got buttons. 3,500 pound capacity, 200 feet per minute. Here are some more buttons. It's very bright in here. Can't really see what I'm doing. Let's go to lower parking. Takes a while to level, but not as if it were a Schindler. And we do have a view out this way. Let's go to trains.
Going up.
Get to see the counterweight go by. Or not. It's on the other side, apparently. Lower parking. I believe we may be picking up somebody. This is the counterweight side. Yeah, this way. Drop. And yeah, we do get a view here. Back to trains.
Going up.
So now we'll look out the back. There's just so much to unpack here. Now there is the intermittent spot.
Train going down.
Let's watch this Acme floor counter. Here we are. Upper parking. Yeah, so they are going to continue this parking garage, or level. It's funny because right now, it's not even level, it's not even built. So, and then there would be lower parking right there, which already exists. So let's take the elevator back to the top.
Upper parking going up.
And I didn't bother pressing door close. Timer's not too bad though. And there it goes. That was the elevator. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, you know what? Before we end it,
Train going down.
let's send it all the way down and see the counterweight through the door, perhaps. We didn't do it on the other one, so. And down she goes. Better view of the counterweight. The elevator's all the way down there. That'll be it. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.